Okay, take a look at the AQV ZD60 Dashcam. So there's the Dashcam. So we got our camera on the front. It says that's a 2K, and then this is a 1080p. So this camera does rotate around, so if you wanted to, you could have two pointing straight forward. But if you want to have something pointing back at your dash so you can see what's going on in the cab, you got that option available. Nice wide screen on here. We got our mounting point on the top. We got what looks like two speakers. It comes with a 32GB card. We got our power port. We got a port for the rear camera. We got our reset button. We got menu, left, settings, right, and then on and off. We got our car power adapter, and this is going to a USB-C. And it has a USB-A port in the back, so if you want to, you can turn that into a USB-A plug for other devices. We got our suction cup mount. So if I move this lever, that is going to pull the suction cup in. And then the camera will just slide into that slot. We got a rear camera. It comes with an adhesive pad on it. And we also got two extras, so that's nice. It has a nice long cord on it, and it does disconnect. So if you want to string that cord without having to worry about it getting tangled up, you can do that. And I do really like this style because we can actually stick that on a window. So if you have to point the camera straight back, you can actually do that with this one, whereas you can't do that with those other ones that just have that little foot on the bottom. So this is a well-designed rear camera. We also have a USB-A to USB-C plug. So if you don't have a power socket in your car like this, then you can still plug that into a USB-A port to power this camera. We got a trim tool, so if you need to run those wires around the trim, you can do that. Pull it back a little bit, and you can drop those wires in the trim. We also have some adhesive wire holders, so if you just want to run that on the inside of the car, you can do that. We have a card reader, which is very nice, so we can just plug this directly into our computer if we need to get those files off. And then we have a pin reset tool. So if you ever need to do a hard reset, you can press that button with this tool. So just gotta stick it on and then rotate. And that is ready to go.